Hi, welcome back. Here we're going to discuss first in, first out concept for deck. Here we are initializing a deck called queue. Then we are appending three elements to the queue. So A, B, and C. So this is the first part, the creation part. Okay. This part is the appending part. So we are appending three elements to our queue, and then printing part, okay? Printing. Now we would like to remove one element from left, and then we want to print the output. So because we are following the first in, first out concept, whatever that comes in first, it is going to be removed first. Therefore, we can use the pop left function to remove the first entered element in this queue. Let me print this once here. So when I print our queue here, let me comment these two lines. So when I run the code, we see that here we created the deck, we appended three elements, and we printed it. So A, B, and C. So first of all, we added A, then we added B, and then we added C. Now the first in was A. So if we want to have first in, first out policy, A should be removed. In order to remove A, because it's the first element from left, we simply use the pop left function in order to remove that. And as you see here, we are removing the element A, and if I print the whole deck, you will see that it will have now elements B and C. So this is how actually we can have first in, first out policy in deck. Thank you.